Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review over the antibiotic class known as the penicillins. So let's get started. The penicillin class has a common suffix known as cillin, C-I-L-L-I-N, and some popular ones in this class include penicillin and amoxicillin. Now, what do they target and treat? Well, they primarily target gram-positive bacteria, and how I remember that is that penicillin starts with P, that's telling me we're dealing with positive. Now, on the flip side, they do target some gram-negative bacteria, especially those broader spectrum types like amoxicillin. So because of that, they're really helpful in helping us treat strep throat infections, STIs such as syphilis, and ear infections. Now, how do they work? Well, what they do is that they inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis. So they have a bactericidal effect on the body to go after those bacteria. Now, what are the things that you must remember about this class? Well, to help you remember those things, remember the abbreviation for penicillins, PCNS. P is for penicillin allergy common. So this antibiotic class has the most common antibiotic allergy. So you always want to ask your patient if they're allergic to this, and you want to monitor them for like rash, hives, and anaphylaxis. C is for cross sensitivity with cephalosporins. So if your patient reacts to penicillins, they may also be allergic to cephalosporins. N is for nausea. So this class can definitely cause GI upset. And if this occurs, you can educate the patient that they can take some food because hopefully that can help alleviate that. However, some medications in this class are better to be taken on an empty stomach because it really promotes absorption of the medication. And then lastly, super infection. So you want to watch for C. diff. This will present as frequent, watery, foul-smelling diarrhea. And they can also experience oral thrush and vaginal yeast infections. Okay, so that wraps up this review. If you'd like to watch more videos in this series, you can access the link in the description below.